Hi, I'm Coleen Atkins, an associate professor at the University of Miami, Miami Project to Cure Paralysis. My laboratory's research is inspired and motivated by the over 3 million people who are coping with long-term disabilities after traumatic brain injury. Traumatic brain injury, or TBI, results in learning and memory impairments in the majority of survivors. My laboratory's research is to understand what changes in the brain that causes these learning and memory problems. Currently, we are partnering with clinical researchers here at the University of Miami, researchers at other institutions, and also pharmaceutical companies to develop therapies to give to a chronic TBI survivor to improve their learning and memory. My laboratory has two major research projects. The first is evaluating the effectiveness of phosphodiesterase inhibitors. Phosphodiesterase inhibitors work by boosting levels of cyclic AMP. Cyclic AMP is a molecule in the brain that is very important for long-term memory formation. My laboratory has found that cyclic AMP is altered after traumatic brain injury, and currently we are evaluating whether phosphodiesterase inhibitors improve learning and memory in the chronic recovery stage of traumatic brain injury. The second major research project in my laboratory is looking at the nicotinic acetylcholine receptor. Drugs that target this receptor are already in clinical use for Alzheimer's disease and dementia. My laboratory is looking at whether or not this receptor is a good therapeutic target for traumatic brain injury. The future impact and ultimate vision of my research is to translate these findings at the bench to our chronic TBI survivors to improve learning and memory.